Hey guys, what's up? That girl Patriana here with Nessie's second review. And today I want to review this thermal Avène Cicalfate Restorative Protective Cream. Oh my god, that's such a long name. Basically, guys, it's just a very rich cream that is safe for sensitive, delicate skin. And just want to show you how it looks like. One tube will last you forever. Guys, I do have an oily skin, so in the summer month, I like to use this more like once a week, more like a sleeping mask just because it's super rich. But I like to use this cream to help me with my dermatitis, with the dry spots on my face and body. And looks like it dries down pretty quickly, but just give it some time. This is good for rash, insect bites, post-procedure treatment in the wintertime. This baby here is so good for your dry skin, or even like, you know, for my dry patches during the winter month, my skin tends to get really dry and cracked. So this baby here is the savior, and it has the patented C Restore, which is the copper sulfate and zinc sulfate that is good to help maintain a healthy looking skin. Very rich on the famous Avene thermal spring water. Good creams all in one. You know, if you just need like one moisturizer or one cream to solve your skin problem, this may be your answer. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.